This course covers the background to and reasons why good food hygiene is essential for anyone working with food. The course offers guidance on preparing and handling food safely, operational and maintenance requirements for premises and equipment. After completing this course, you will understand the importance of good food hygiene, have knowledge of the regulations underpinning food safety and the agencies involved with ongoing management, have knowledge of the various forms of food contamination, be aware of the methods required to assess and manage food safety risks, be aware of food storage and preservation methods, understand the importance of good personal hygiene, have knowledge of the risks and precautions needed for effective pest control, have knowledge on the importance of and how to implement effective cleaning, have knowledge of the legal and food safety requirements for premises, have knowledge of food safety management systems including HACCP. Module 5. Food Safety Management. In this module, we will look at the benefits of adopting a food safety management scheme. Food Safety Management. All food businesses have a legal requirement to have an approved written food safety management system in place to ensure food is safe for customers to eat. The system should be in line with General Hazard Analysis and Critical Procedures Principles, HACCP. The level of documentation required will depend on the nature and size of your business. The advantages of adopting a food safety management system include improved food safety, compliance with food law, identify potential hazards early before damage is done, highlight issues that need to be controlled or changed, provide documentary evidence of preventative actions, help prioritize risk control resources, increase consumer confidence, provide methods that are accepted and understood by staff, allow new operations to be made safe at the design stage. HACCP. HACCP, Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, is the systematic preventative approach to food safety by means of hazard prevention rather than finished product inspection. There are 7 HACCP principles that should be followed as detailed below. Conduct a hazard analysis. Establish what could go wrong at every stage of food processing and put in place controls to make sure it does not happen. Example: bacteria harmful to health could survive if raw chicken is not cooked enough. Proper cooking will control this hazard. Identify critical control points, CCPs. Recognize the most important points where things can go wrong. Example: thorough cooking will reduce bacteria to a safe level. Set critical control limits for each CCP. Set a measurable limit that separates safe food from potentially unsafe food. Example: ensure the core temperature has reached at least 75 degrees C. Set up checks for each CCP. Monitoring each CCP to prevent problems occurring. Example: check the core temperature with a thermometer every time food is cooked. Corrective action. Decide what to do if something goes wrong. Example, call engineer if equipment is faulty. For example, oven not hot enough. Verification. Prove that your HACCP plan is working. Example, check that control measures are being applied and corrective actions have been taken where needed. Record keeping. Maintain an accurate record of the previous steps. Example, complete a record form showing all the checks that have been carried out.